Welcome to CDG Inspection, a globally recognized leader in testing and inspection services. N14509-2013 is the European standard for modular furniture panels. We begin with load testing to evaluate panel strength under different weight conditions. Our environmental testing simulates real-world conditions like temperature and humidity. Flexural testing ensures panels can withstand bending and twisting forces. Adhesion testing evaluates the bond strength between layers of composite panels. We test for acoustic performance to ensure sound insulation properties. Fire resistance testing is crucial for safety compliance. Impact testing ensures panels can handle sudden shocks and impacts. Thermal conductivity testing determines insulation efficiency. Compression testing evaluates the ability to withstand vertical loads. Our comprehensive reporting ensures clarity and compliance with N14509-2013. N14509-2013 testing ensures modular panels meet the demands of industries like construction, furniture, and manufacturing. Why choose CDG Inspection? Expertise, state-of-the-art facilities, and unmatched quality assurance. To learn more about our N14509-2013 testing services or to make an inquiry, visit us at www.cdginspection.com.